A New York Catholic diocese is appealing to the U.S. Supreme Court on a state abortion coverage mandate.
This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
The case is called Roman Catholic Diocese of Albany, New York versus Harris. This Harris is Adrian A. Harris, the superintendent of the New York Department of Financial Services. The trigger for this case is a 2017 New York statute requiring that all group health plans cover abortions. The law exempted religious organizations with the purpose of serving their fellow religious members. However, the law did not exempt religious organizations which were engaged in serving the community without regard to religion. So the Catholics and the Baptists sued to block the law applying to this second set of functions. They have lost in the New York courts, but made one trip to SCOTUS in 2021, where the case was remanded back to the state courts. SCOTUS referenced in its June 2021 remand a case called Fulton versus Philadelphia. In that case, SCOTUS unanimously ruled that a Roman Catholic charity in Pennsylvania may refuse on First Amendment religious freedom grounds that they would not allow children to be placed with same-sex couples. Unfortunately, the New York courts have again ruled against the religious organizations where the services are beyond its mission to serve its own congregations. It held that Fulton did not apply and that the state rule here did not violate the First Amendment. The trial attorney for the churches noted that they are being penalized for extending their charitable activities beyond their immediate congregations. So the plaintiff religious organizations are heading back to SCOTUS for a second time. Note that the track record with the current SCOTUS is 3-0 in favor of the religious organizations. So I'm betting on them winning against the state of New York this time as well. And folks, this is a sad situation because you have charities that are willing to provide at their cost help to members of the public who need more help. We know that New York has been complaining about the financial burden of illegals who have been sent there by the Biden administration and by some southern states, and yet they're apparently frustrating the direction of trying to have charities provide public help, but then want to place burdens on them that they're not willing to incur. I don't think it's good policy. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. Thanks for joining us. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.